address, and I try to put a really concise piece of information together for you so that you can get the information quickly. Today I'm talking about the the actual changes to the alimony tax laws as of 2019. Previously, alimony was tax deductible to the person who paid it, and it was a tax increase or tax burden to the person who received it. That's now changing, and in 2019 it will no longer be a taxable event on either side. So everybody's overreacting, saying you have to file your return or you get your divorce settled before the year ends so you can maximize the tax savings. I actually think that's a mistake. I've run several analysis for several cases on both ends where my client's either paying or receiving. And I think people are looking at it the wrong way and making mistakes. First of all, if you're the person paying, everybody runs up and says you need to do this right away because you're losing the tax deduction. But the truth is, whenever you're agreeing to an alimony amount that's tax deductible for you, everybody that's talking to you, like your attorneys and the mediators, are estimating what your tax savings will be. They don't really know what the tax savings will be because that's based on your return next year. And depending on like the deductions that you have and your income may change, especially now because they're changing the deductions. Under the new law, if you're paying alimony, you'll be paying a net number. So, for instance, people would say, well, if you're paying $30,000 in alimony, it's really like paying 20 and you're saving 10. But they wouldn't really know if you were saving 10, you might be saving 9 or 11. So it was kind of hypothetical, and it's really unfair to people agreeing to alimony. Now it's a net number. You're going to know what you're paying because you're paying from your after-tax dollars, and you're going to be paying less. In my example, which was $30,000, you're actually going to be paying $20,000 because you're going to take the tax savings portion out of it and pay the lower sum. Similarly, if you're the one receiving alimony, under the current laws, you often would be increasing your tax burden because you'd be changing tax brackets. The receipt of alimony will often take you from your current income to a higher tax bracket, so you pay more taxes on all of the income, which is even worse because you were getting a bigger burden from the receipt of it. Long and short is now everybody knows exactly how much they're paying and how much they're receiving. No more games about how much you think you're going to save in taxes or how much you actually have to pay. So my tip, in short, is don't rush to finish your divorce in 2018 because you think the alimony laws are going to greatly affect alimony, or the tax laws will greatly affect your alimony. It won't. I think it's better to take your time, make sure you got the right numbers, make sure you're doing the right thing, and don't be rushed into it because a judge is telling you that you need to or your lawyer is not running the numbers correctly. I hope this tip helps you. If it did, please like and share the video so that others get to see it. If you'd like to meet with me or ask me any questions, you can always call my office at 973-562-0100. Thank you.